Everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Makeda Markets, and I help people build profitable online businesses. Today, I'm going to share a strategy that has helped me generate thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions with Builderall. So I'm sure you're probably wondering, what is Builderall? Let's review what Builderall is quickly in a nutshell. Just give me 1 second to share my screen. So as you can see here, Builderall is a all-in-one website builder and marketing platform that offers a ton of features to help you create stunning websites, landing pages, sales funnels, and so much more. I've been using Builderall for over 6 years, and I have found that it is an incredibly powerful tool for affiliate marketers. And here are just some of the reasons. First of all, it's easy to use. Builderall is incredibly user friendly, even for beginners. You don't need to have any technical skills in order to use Builderall and get started with the platform. It's affordable. Builderall offers a variety of different pricing plans. So we'll just take a second to go to my site and take a look at some of the plans that they offer. Give me a second. Here you can see we have a promo. Here we go. Plans. We have a wide range of plans ranging from $17 all the way to $247. Builderall offers over 40 different apps and tools, including website builders, landing page builders, email marketing software, and so much more, all in one platform. So now you don't have to have 4 or 5 different charges for 4 or 5 different digital marketing tools. You'll have the convenience of having all those tools all in one place. It offers a very generous affiliate program with the potential to earn up to 100% commission on each sale. So I'm sure you're probably wondering, how do you use Builderall to make money as an affiliate? Now that is now that now that we know what Builderall is and why I use it, let's talk a little bit about how you can use it to make money as an affiliate. First and foremost, you pick a niche. Now, the niche that I chose are digital marketers just like yourself who are in affiliate marketing or who want to be in affiliate marketing, who are selling digital products or who want to sell and create digital products, because that's something that I'm passionate about. I have been in digital marketing well over 15 years, and I figured that was an appropriate niche. So the first step that you want to do as an affiliate marketer is pick a niche. Then you want to use Builderall to build a website or blog. You want to be a product of the product. So I'm going to open up my website builder. Let me actually do it so that you can see how it's done. You simply go to Tools, and right here, Website Builder, I like to open it up in a new window. And here's a little pro tip for using Builderall. Sometimes it can get finicky as a SaaS software. So I use it in the incognito mode on Chrome. That helps to weed out some of the bugs that cookies and all that stuff can actually have. So here we are. You can see I have a variety of different websites. All of them built on the platform, and getting to use the website builder is pretty easy. We have tons of videos, we have a knowledge base, we have YouTube tutorials, and also if you choose me as your sponsor, you do have the opportunity to ask me any questions or hop on a Zoom call with me, and I can walk you through how to use the builder. So here we have this website I built as a Stan Store, which is Stan Store inspired website. Stan Store has gotten pretty popular. There's no need for me to pay for it. It took me less than an hour to build this out in Builderall. And of course, I can provide it with a couple clicks of a button to my entire team so that they can edit the pictures and links for them to use it as well. Here is an opportunity. Yeah, this is a website that I built showcasing my digital product. This was a done for me digital product, which was actually on another software, and I rebuilt it in Builderall, easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. And as an affiliate marketer, you have tons of different affiliate programs that you're using. You always want to try to build a landing page and also be using email software, which of course is within Builderall. But now, what I think it was last fall, SoFi unveiled affiliate program, and I built my own website um, with a YouTube video explaining what the website, excuse me, what the referral program was, and of course instructions on how to do it, along with my link. So this was easily built out in Builderall. And one of the best things about having Builderall is that you have the opportunity to build unlimited subdomain websites. Okay, so you get an opportunity to use Builderall to build websites. And of course, you want to build high quality content. You can build a website or a blog. My blog on Builderall, I haven't updated in quite some time, but I will show it to you guys. This was a simple Builderall platform that I used, and I was promoting work from home jobs. A lot of them are still relevant, so you can always feel free to check out this URL. And one of the other blogs, which actually companion, oops, which a fellow affiliate has built out, which I really love, is here. And you can see just some of the capabilities that you have with the Builderall platform. Oops. He's got blogs, and he updates his blog pretty frequently. You have tons of blogs that are relevant and help showcase what the Builderall platform can do. As you can see, it's high quality, and it offers an opportunity for you to market several different things to your audience as you build it out. So, in conclusion, Builderall, of course, is an amazing tool. The platform is very user friendly, and I believe that it is a great bang for your buck, providing you with all the tools that you need for digital marketing all in one place. And if you're looking to try to make money online, I highly recommend that you give it a try. So if you're interested in learning more about Builderall, be sure to click the link in the description. I also encourage you to subscribe to my channels for more tips and tutorials with how to make money online, specifically with Builderall. But of course, I'll be branching off to other ways to make money online. I thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you and that you were able to learn more about how to use Builderall to make money online as an affiliate. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.